Hello everybody and welcome, my name is Marco and I'm Mr. Good Riddance. This is the first video of this week's series about swipe pores. Inspired by the Catalan tradition of Castell, this is one of my all-time favorite swipes. So now, without any further ado, let's do this! So you might have seen something similar online and you're wondering how to achieve all those amazing cells as a result of swiping paint across your artwork. Now there is one trick that you always need to keep in mind. All your paint must be mixed with silicone oil except for the first color that you will swipe across, so in this case the white that I'm adding. So I added some silicone oil in all the bottles of colors. The white one doesn't have any silicone oil at all. The idea here is that you're covering a layer of paint and silicone with a layer of just paint, which will cause the silicone to run to the surface by itself and leave all these cells behind. Now, for this pour, I'm using some paint that is actually quite thick and never really responds well to heat, so I was finding it really hard to get cells with this. However, again, because this technique does not require any heat source, it's perfect for anybody who doesn't have a heat gun or a blowtorch. Another thing you want to pay attention to is that you cover the sides of your canvas with paint too, otherwise your beautiful swipe will have loads of blank spaces on its sides and it will take away from its final look. Many people use different things for swipes. In this case I will be using a normal napkin, but I tried with anything from plastic sheets to bubble wrap to plastic wrap. Some people use heavier plastic. To me it really depends on the thickness of the paint and the size of the artwork as well. So now I will make sure that the napkin only gets soaked with white paint and I will swipe it across the canvas. For this painting, I want to leave some space in the middle to build my Castell using the bloom technique. So here I do it one side and now I'm doing the other side. Now for my bloom technique, I will add white across all these colors in the middle, and using a straw I will blow in different directions to create my blooms. When you do this, you always want to allow some time after each blow to let the paint settle and create all those cells. So here is the final result. And here it is, dried and cured. As you can see, both the swipe and the bloom techniques allowed us to get beautiful cells without ever needing a blowtorch or a heat gun. I also decided to give you a sneak peek into the painting that you will see in the next tutorial, as these two hang together in my living room. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found it useful, please give it a like and do consider subscribing to my channel. I upload tutorials on new techniques every week on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and your support really means a lot. As usual, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. For now, I thank you so very much for checking my videos and I'll see you next time.